laughing contest.
Yeah, what the hell are we getting for
$20 from Dad.
Yeah, okay, guess again.
The roar of thunder. Your turn. Nothing, right? Even. You have one?
I don't know. This would be so my brain is coming out every time.
That's disgusting. Possibly in another one. It's right here.
Hold on. Oh, honey, wait.
Wait.
Oh my God.
What is
I need Advil.
Need more than Advil.
I can't breathe.
I can't breathe.
Puke, you clean it up.
Yeah. Here's a napkin.
I'm not over you.
You have more?
Kinda. Can we burp the alphabet?
No, I can't. You can, go ahead.
I don't know if I have enough anymore.